to add a video from YouTube, I'm going to go ahead to this button here, which is a little film strip with the yellow V, insert video shortcode. When I click that, I get this pop-up window here, and it's asking for a video ID. So I need to go to my YouTube page where I found the video. Here's my YouTube page, and I'm going to go to the top here, and this is the video code here. The video code is all the numbers and letters and symbols after the V equals, at least for YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and just copy this code. Copy, just this code here. Alright, go back to my WordPress page. I'm going to insert the video ID. Oops, that's weird. Okay, there we go. Insert the video ID. And then for the width and height, I'm going to go back to the YouTube, and if you click on the embed button in YouTube, you can actually see different sizes the video can fit. I think a good size for our post would be 480 by 390. It's a good medium small size. 480 by 390. So I'm going to take 480 by 390. Okay. And sometimes the default works, but I want to make sure that it doesn't change the aspect of my video at all. So I'm going to put in the exact ones. Okay, insert. And you can see it inserts this short code here, this code. And then once we publish it, it'll actually pull the video from YouTube. Okay, so there's my post. Looks good. I like it. Two last things before we post. We need to add this to a category. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to headline. And this is a world story. I don't see a world category here. So I'm going to go down to add new category and add world. It's a parent category. It's not under any of the other ones. I'm going to hit add new category. And as you can see, it adds it up here. It's already tagged. Good. So under world, headline, and also weather. We can tag it under weather too. And then post tags. Like I said, this is for the search engines, so I'm going to put earthquake, tsunami, Japan, and severe weather. Sure. Add. Cool. So then you can see when you separate them with commas, it automatically separates them out. And then if you need to remove one that you didn't mean to do, you can just press the little red X's and they go away. Okay. Looking good. Now I'm ready to publish this. So over here, I go to the publish button, and then we get the dial. Okay, now it refreshes. Now it's posted. Now I can go back to Twin Tiers Live, and I'm going to go and refresh my page. There we go. Now you can see in my headline, now it's in the featured slider, the article that we just did. It's also down here on the recent news. And if we click on the title, it goes to our article. You see here's our headline, our picture, here's our text, and then the video. And the video plays. Cool, looks good. And on these pages, the user can share it, with friends on various social networking sites if they like the article or want to share with others. Okay. Now I want to go over the category bar. You see, the category bar here shows all the different categories that we have, but it can only extend so far. So if I just kept adding categories, this would get larger and larger until it started going off the page, and then everything would go everywhere. As you can see with the world category, the world tag, it already added there. So if we added a few more, it would start to get a little messy. So if you need to add more categories, and we need to keep them off of the tab bar, and you want to manage this tab bar so that way the most popular or the key categories are on this tab bar, we need to go to Appearance, down here on the side, Appearance, and then e-news theme options. If we click on that, it brings us to this e-panel. And then we need to click on navigation here on the side, and then to categories up here at the top. Okay, so here it shows you all the different categories that we have. Some I already have X'd out, like I don't want the headline or stories to be on the top bar there. And I'm actually going to take off the world on there from the categories bar. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out, and then I'm going to hit save. Make sure you hit save down here at the bottom, otherwise it won't make any changes. Save. Cool. And then we can go back here and refresh the page, and you can actually see that it took the world tab off the bar. So that's how we can manage those, is through this e-panel. Under navigation, under categories, and change which categories we would like to be on the navigation bar. Okay. Right now it's also set to hide empty categories, so if you created a category and you don't have any posts under that category, it won't show up on that bar. Okay, go over the featured slider. The featured slider features the most recent 5 articles from the headline category. So as you can see, we have our tsunami article, which we just posted, and then we have some other sample ones that I posted before. The key thing with this is that WordPress will grab the first image in the post,